So, if you are a mid-career professional who is struggling with stagnant income, low saving, and you wanted to crack the code of boosting your savings by 15,000 to 30,000 and launching a side income in just 30 days, then you need to watch this because in this video, I am going to cover three things. First, how to break out your income stagnation very fast. Second, how to achieve consistent saving and side income with literally zero risk. And number three, how my team and I can fast track the guaranteed result for you. So stop everything and pay absolute close attention because I am going to reveal here three hidden secrets about income growth that no one is addressing. And exactly these three secrets I have applied in my life, which has given me tremendous financial breakthrough and achieved my first 1 crore in my life. These secrets are backed by economics, behavioral psychology, and neuroscience which will help you to break free these blocks and ultimately you become financially free. This is perfect for you if you are a working professional in IT, finance, consulting, or engineering, or if you are a doctor and earning 50,000 to 2 lakh rupees per month, yet stuck at savings of 8,000 to 10,000 rupees per month, and you are feeling conscious, constantly anxious, burnout, and frustrated with the failed of the side hustle. By the time you finish this training, you will know exactly how to escape from this trap by using my wealth accelerator system without wasting time and money on the failed attempts. So grab pen and paper. You will need to take a lot of notes and stay till the end for some free wealth action plans which is waiting for you. Just few months back, I have worked with 50 plus professionals helping their raise from their savings 15,000 to 30,000 and launch a profitable side income stream in just 30 days. But before we get started, going deep and revealing my top three secrets, let me share with you why you should listen to me. Hey, my name is Manas Kepal. I am founder of Synergy Health and creator of Wealth Accelerator System. I was once at your place. Basically, I was one your source. Become an electrical engineer, earning decent salary of 2 lakhs rupees per month. But my savings were stuck at only 2,000 rupees despite of working long hours. I was literally working 12 to 14 hours a day and I tried trading, YouTube's, MLM, cryptos, online courses. But I felt continuously anxious, guilt, ashamed. My family relied on me, but I could not give them the financial security which they deserved. And one night, I was staring at the ceiling and my credit card bills were rising up. And it hit me so hard that 50,000 credit card bill of minimum balance becomes a 2 lakh rupees nightmare for me. So what I realized that it is not about working more harder, it is about using the right system. Then when I built in wealth accelerator systems, which is a simple framework combining with the mindset and the tools, it's like FTVA and EFT, which is my signature program, which I will talk to you later. Actually, this program is nothing but very practical, doable, implementable, and result driven. And when I implemented Wealth Accelerator system, everything has changed. My saving doubled in just 30 days. I tested in new side income streams. And most importantly, I gained a lot of clarity, control, and confidence. And now I am having multiple sources of income. And now I help professionals like you to achieve the same breakthrough. But don't just take my words for it. Let's take example of Rohit, a senior engineer from Bangalore who was doing 1 lakh rupees per month, but only saving 8,000 rupees. Failed trading and cryptos and copywriting courses. And when he came to us, he boosted savings by 20,000 plus and launched a freelancing consulting gig in just 30 days. Let's take example of Priya, who is a finance manager of Pune, who was stuck at 75,000 salary for 5 years. No side income, no second source of income. When he came to us, he negotiated an 18K raise and earned 12 lakh rupees just on a weekend consulting projects. Let's take example of another consultant named Rango Swami, was drowning in the depths, stressed, family tensions, and clear his debts and saving 25,000 per month consistently. And he finally built a peace of mind which he was longing for 20 years. These are not some miracles. These are the proven, because they use the proven strategies, proven system of wealth accelerator system, which is actually very simple, doable, implementable, and result driven. Ready to deep dive into my three secrets, which gave me my first 1 crore? Are you ready? So now let's talk the three hidden secrets, which is actually keeping professional stuff, but how you can get out of it. Secret number one. This is called the hard work trap. More work is equivalent to more money, which is actually a lie. Most professionals believe working harder, taking more projects, or staying late in the office will grow my income. But study shows 80% of Indian professionals stuck at the same salary for 8 to 10 years, despite of working harder every year. You know why? Because companies reward strategic value, not the hours you work. Without negotiation skills, money habits, and skills monetizing, you're running faster in the same treadmill. What you just need is fair. What you need is smart money moves. Is more than just hard work. As I mentioned about Rohit, he did not increase his work hours, but he applied our systems called wealth accelerator system and budgeted research. Once that one salary conversation happened, boosted by 20,000. And he also started a freelancing project. And the results 20,000 extra savings in just 30 days. Secret number two, the side hustle myth, which I called MSI, multiple source of income. It takes years. No. Many professionals avoid side hustle because they think that it takes many, many years to make money. You know the truth? They're chasing the wrong hustle. Trading, YouTube, MLM things are massive learning curves. But the reality is, if you monetize your skills you already have, you can do it within weeks. Now, side hustle can pay in weeks, not in years. Let's take example of Priya. He thought that she had no time, but we identify her excels and finance skills. And within 30 days, she earned 12,000 rupees in consulting in just one weekend. Amazing, right? Let's deep dive into secret number three. The money management myth is too complicated. Most professionals avoid this money management system because they think budgeting, investing are too complex for us. This is no time for us. It is time for only earning, right? No, that is the lie of all financial gurus is selling to you. But in reality, wealth requires actually these three simple weekly money moves. First, budget reset. Second, income conversion. And third, side skill stress. That's all. Money systems can be very simple, practical, and very empowering. Let's take example of Rangan Swami, who was actually consultant, who was drowning in the debts. And after applying these three moves, he cleared all debts and saved 25,000 rupees per month and built an emergency fund for himself and his family. Looks really crazy, right? These are not just a miracle. They followed right strategies, right framework by which they can do it so effortlessly within just a month. Now, my question is to you. Are you really serious to make it happen for you and your family, which they deserve the most? Let's recap quickly what we learned so far. Number one, thinking more work is more money. No, it's a myth. Number two, making multiple sources of income takes years. No, it takes only 30 days. And third, avoid money systems because it's too complicated. No, it is very simple if you apply a simple system. And once you shift these beliefs, you will unlock a clear path of saving 15,000 to 30,000 every month and launching a side income in just 30 days. Now, at this point of time, you have to work. Number one, do it yourself. Keep trading, keep trying side hustles, random side hustles, or waiting for the companies to notice you. But the question is, if that would have worked to you, then you would not be here. So number two, let me help you. Use my proven 30 days of wealth accelerator blueprint, which is already tested by hundreds of professionals like you. And if you are serious enough to make 5 years of success within 1 year, then let's work together and we can work together and achieve the same in much faster speed. Now, how this my system works? There are two levels you can work with. Number one is use my wealth accelerator system, which is 30 days proven strategies blueprint is given, which is works with 2 days live bootcamp and given support of the question answer each and every month. And also you will get a guided blueprint for next 30 days by which your income will not only will grow, but also your saving will be saved by 50,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. This is number one. And number two is called Platinum Lifestyle, which is my premium level program where we work with you together and we work together and we'll achieve your next 5 years of success in just 1 year. It is a customized roadmap is for you. Now, where me and my teams will work together and we'll achieve that no matter what. And we'll build at least 5 income sources which you know where you no need to think about it money forever for you. Are you ready to deep dive into even further? Then how my 30 days wealth accelerator systems blueprint can work for you. We work 2 days continuously from morning 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock on Saturday and Sunday. And day one, we work on the inner game of wealth. First, we work on unlocking your financial potential. Then we'll identify where exactly your money blockages are. Then we'll remove those money blockages with my signature program called FTPM. And we'll realign your needs versus your goals. Number two, we'll also rewiring your mindset for wealth by removing your money blocks by using EFT, which is actually my signature program. And also, we'll develop your decision making framework called Millennial Decision Making Framework. In day two, we are going to work on your outer game of wealth, where first we will deep dive into step by step financial freedom blueprint, a powerful system which will be unlocked to you and will given a simple template. Once you follow, you will see how fast you can become completely financially free. Not only that, how you can increase and maintain your happy millennial mindset forever. Now, it is very easy for you when you come to us in 2 days immersive experiential learning. You will go up, you will be here, and then again slowly go down. And that is where I built a very, very powerful system by which you are here, you will not go here. You will be here and then go up. So that is the powerful system I developed and designed, which you will get as a bonus for you. Also, you will get strategic investing and sales negotiation, which actually I would say direct money making kicks. Now, this is exactly you are going to get in 2 days. Do you need some guarantee? If this system doesn't work, the day one, once you come here, in day one, if you feel this program is not relevant, it is not working for me, I will not ask any questions. You will get 100% refund on the day one evening, Saturday evening. So are you ready to deep dive into even further? Yeah. Now, this wealth accelerator blueprint works in very simple. And why it works? Because it is very simple, it is unique, it is predictable, and it is profitable. You know the best part? My team and I will do it with you step by steps. You no need to do much hustling things. We will take all the major loads. What you need to have, you need to invest your money and time and energy in just learning for 2 days and implement along with me. You follow the step-by-step process which is given to you. But this is not for everyone. This is not for everyone who wants to just try and test it and things on that. If you, it is for only person who is working professional, who is very, very serious, committed, and action taker. If you are that person, then this is for you. Now, if you wanted to go ahead and do that, there is an investment required for this. Actual investment is 15,000 for wealth accelerator systems right now, but I can do you something even crazy for you if that suits to you. First of all, for that, I will tell you next steps. And if you wanted to go and achieve the 5 years of success in 1 year in live like a platinum standard, then this is the best time for you to invest in yourself to accelerate your journey and build multiple sources of income. Not only that, you also learn multiple money making skills, which where you no need to think about money forever. Money will work for you. And this is a platinum level program which is costed right now at 1,50,000, but it is for lifetime. But I can give you a crazy bonus if you hear till the end and take the actions today. Are you really committed? Yeah, let's deep dive even further. So, if you really serious and wants to take action, then for the limited time you can book a free strategy call with me. This 30-minute strategy call where I will deep diagnose your three income roadblock. I'm going to give you even further, and I will map your personalized 30 days blueprint there. And I will show you how to boost your savings immediately. You may have tension, anxieties, how you can remove them forever. I will give you directly during the call itself. I will give you the exact question. Yeah. Now, there is no cost for that. There is no obligation for that. What you need to book the call right now and take the action. But remember, this call not for everyone. My team will evaluate your questions because once you click that, there will be some questions to be given to you. Once you fill those questions, my team and I will evaluate. Based on the evaluations, I will take the call because we have so many applications, a lot of applications we are receiving, and practically it is not possible to take all the calls right now. So we are choosing only serious, committed action takers. And remember, there is the investments and of course 100% refund policy के साथ. So click the link below and register for the call, and I will deep dive into it, your money blocks. I will give you a customized roadmap and also will give you 100% clarity how this system is going to work without money. So Derek is working. Click the link and I want you to see you inside the call where your breakthrough starts happening today.